Hello class, welcome to week 8 of English 101 online. I've just graded your education essays and you may look in my grades and look at the attachment in my grades with the graded attachment with my highlighted comments for information about the essay, feedback to you about the essay. As I stated before in my announcement when I typed it up, if you received a grade of 70 or above, then you have passed this essay. If you've received a grade of 69 or below, you have not passed. And if you did turn in your essay on time, I would like you to revise your essay for passing grade for me by next week. Now, I'd like you to begin the health module in English 101. For this week, coming up in English 101, you will be asked to read some articles just as you have with the other modules and post your information from the readings on the discussion board. For this week, you are going to be working with the health discussion board posting 1 about Bittman and other writers, Fallon, other writers who discuss issues about food, um, laws about food, the ingredients in food, and how food is processed. So that is the posting for this week in English 101. So please see the health module for more information. I hope this video was helpful.